Schubor nakaschlem jong unongsan Hima.
Consider this is the first time, I think it's a very good performance. Although I wanted to be much better, but that's okay.
Do you think that the presence of known faces like yourself and Kulsamma helped TMC?
I would say that the people of the state have believed in us and given us a mandate which may not be up to our expectations, but nevertheless it has been rewarding.
As an opposition party, TMC has clearly performed far better than Congress this time. What do you attribute to this? Or are you looking forward to change the game and form an alliance?
Well, we are open to all options. In the last dispensation, we were in the opposition and we had no problems with that. The question is, the work we have been given to do must be done to the best of our ability and with integrity. That's how we should perform, and that's how we should go forward, irrespective of which part of the aisle you are, the treasury or the opposition. Alliance, government has to be formed. Now, therefore, if an alliance has to be made, then we are open, like I said earlier before the elections also, that if we need to have to ally with somebody, it has to be with someone who has the same ideologies and the same vision and the enthusiasm which we have.
Including the BJP?
No, I'll keep you guessing. What do you say?